Hello everyone, welcome back to the Woody Box Lite. In the previous video, I show you how can you download the Legend Apex game on your PC or laptop. But in today's video, I will show you how can you download the Legend Apex game on your mobile, Android or iOS. But before going to the mobile screen, if you didn't hit the like and subscribe button, just do it and let's get started.
So here we are on the mobile screen, but before going to download the Apex Legends game on your mobile, you must show that you have to be from the following countries mentioned in the picture. If you are not from the countries mentioned in the picture, you can use ExpressVPN or SuperVPN. Both are working perfect for it. So I'm gonna use SuperVPN for it. So just open SuperVPN and proceed it with ads and connect it with US. So I already selected and then click on connect and skip the ad. When the VPN got connected, then simply go to the Play Store and search here Apex Legend. Then you will see here that you can download the Apex Legend mobile after using the SuperVPN or ExpressVPN. And the same procedure is for your iOS user. You can use ExpressVPN or SuperVPN. You can download it from App Store. You can download these VPNs from App Store and then connect to the US, and then you will be able to download the Apex Legend game on your iOS.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more tips and tricks like this, click on like and hit the subscribe button to join the Woody Box Lite family. See you in next video. Goodbye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit